Israel court orders deportation of Jerusalem-based activist. Jordan king holds talk with Qatari defense minister. Regime shelling injures 7 civilians in Syria's Idlib. Rocket attacks kill 6 in Libyan capital. Lebanon employee protest possible wage cuts. Iran's foreign minister slams Trump over Yemen veto. Egypt to hold constitutional referendum on Saturday. Al-Bashir reportedly moved to prison in Khartoum. High-level Egyptian delegation visits post of Sudan. Turkey continues to back Bosnia in every field. Pakistan, 38 fishermen missing in Arabian Sea. Heavy rainstorm hits refugees in Pakistan.